Get ready for an incredible lineup of smartphones in July. From cutting-edge features to stunning designs, we bring you the hottest smartphone releases and updates. Let's dive in. With not one, not two, but four stunning models to choose from, Apple is gearing up to unleash an array of cutting-edge features and jaw-dropping advancements that will leave you in awe. Instead of the iconic notch that has accompanied the flagship iPhones since the revolutionary iPhone X, the iPhone 15 will sport the all-new dynamic island, providing a seamless, immersive display that stretches to every corner of the device. But that's just the beginning. The iPhone 15 lineup will showcase Apple's commitment to innovation with a host of mind-boggling features. Rumors suggest that all models will embrace the USB-C port, revolutionizing the way you connect and charge your device. And that's not all. The Pro models are set to flaunt titanium frames, slimmer bezels, and exquisite curved edges, giving them an unmatched aesthetic appeal. The iPhone 15 will have the powerhouse A16 chip, delivering lightning-fast performance and unrivaled efficiency. Meanwhile, the Pro models will boast the cutting-edge 3nm A17 chips, taking speed and power to unimaginable heights. And for all the photography enthusiasts out there, get ready to capture moments with unprecedented clarity, as the iPhone 15 Pro Max is rumored to introduce periscope lens technology for exceptional zoom capabilities. With a more power-efficient OLED display driver chip and the promise of improved battery life, the iPhone 15 lineup is designed to keep up with your expectations. As the release of Google Pixel 8 Pro draws near, you can expect a device that will leave you in awe. Brace yourself for an immersive visual experience as the Pixel 8 Pro's display embraces a stunning 120Hz refresh rate. And that's not all. Google has meticulously selected a brighter panel this time, offering an incredible 1400 nits of typical brightness for your viewing pleasure. The camera department receives a major upgrade with a remarkable 50-megapixel main sensor, the ISOCELL GN2 taking center stage. Not to be outdone, the ultra-wide camera receives an overhaul, employing the powerful Sony IMX787 sensor at an impressive 64 megapixels, ensuring your wide-angle shots are nothing short of exceptional. Under its beautiful casing, the Pixel 8 Pro is armed with the mighty Tensor G3, a powerhouse that promises a significant boost in performance and energy efficiency. With its advanced CPU and GPU configuration, this device is set to outshine its predecessors, delivering a seamless user experience and unlocking the full potential of Google's cutting-edge AI technology. What can you expect from the Nothing Phone 2? Imagine a stunning LTPO OLED display boasting 1 billion vibrant colors, HDR10+ support, and a blazing 120Hz refresh rate. With a captivating 6.7-inch screen, it delivers a mesmerizing visual experience with its impressive 1600 nits of brightness. Also, the Corning Gorilla Glass protection ensures durability, while the always-on display keeps you connected at all times. It combines the power of Android 13 and Nothing OS 2 under its exterior to provide a seamless performance. Fueling this innovation is the Qualcomm SM8475 Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, ensuring lightning-fast speeds and fluid multitasking. The Nothing Phone 2 is also equipped with a remarkable camera setup, featuring dual 50-megapixel lenses for breathtaking photos and videos. And there's also the immersive sound experience with stereo speakers that will envelop you in a world of audio perfection. With a non-removable 4700 mAh battery and 45-watt wired charging capability, you'll never have to worry about running out of power. This cutting-edge device is set to feature a mind-boggling 120Hz AMOLED display and stunning 1 billion colors and HDR10+ support. With a screen-to-body ratio of nearly 88%, get ready to be captivated by a truly bezel-less experience. But that's just the beginning. Equipped with the lightning-fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and an octa-core CPU, including the formidable Cortex-X2, Cortex-A710, and Cortex-A510 cores, the Neo 7 Pro promises unparalleled speed and power. Capture the world with astonishing clarity through the lens of its triple camera setup, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a dedicated macro lens for those up-close marvels. Selfies? No problem. The 16-megapixel front camera ensures you look flawless in every shot. With an enormous 5,000 mAh battery and mind-blowing 120-watt wired charging, you'll be back in action within minutes. With its sleek dimensions of 162 by 75.1 by 8.2 millimeters and an impressive 6.74-inch fluid AMOLED display, the OnePlus Nord 3 is set to attract a lot of attention. Its screen-to-body ratio of approximately 89.8% ensures an expansive viewing experience that will leave you breathless. With a triple rear camera system, including a 50-megapixel wide lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens, every shot will be a masterpiece. Underneath its elegant exterior, there's the cutting-edge MediaTek MT6983 Dimensity 9000 chipset, coupled with an octa-core processor that delivers exceptional performance. Combined with a massive 5,000 mAh battery and 80-watt wired charging, the OnePlus Nord 3 keeps up with your demanding lifestyle, offering lightning-fast charging speeds.